This video will show you how to use the 3CX Wallboard. To access the 3CX Wallboard, select the switchboard icon on the 3CX web client. Now select Wallboard to access a variety of call statistics. On the Wallboard, you can view the number of calls waiting, the average talk time, the number of answered or abandoned calls, number of busy agents and the total calls. You can also see the number of callbacks and the average waiting time for each caller. The Wallboard even allows you to enter a customised message for your team. To create a customised message, go to Settings, Wallboard, then add your optional message in the relevant box. Your message will now appear on the 3CX Wallboard.